Top 25 Piping Supervisor Client Interview Questions and Answers. A piping supervisor plays a critical role in oil and gas, petrochemical, power, and infrastructure projects by ensuring safe, timely, and high-quality execution of piping activities. During client interviews, especially for projects aligned with standards like those from the American Petroleum Institute, ASME, and ISO, interviewers focus on technical knowledge, leadership ability, safety awareness, and coordination skills. They assess your understanding of drawings, codes, testing, quality control, and team management. The following script presents 25 important piping supervisor client interview questions with structured, professional answers to help you confidently prepare and succeed. 1. Tell us about your experience as a piping supervisor. I have extensive experience supervising piping fabrication and erection activities in oil and gas and industrial projects. My responsibilities included manpower planning, daily work allocation, drawing interpretation, and coordination with QA/QC and safety teams. I ensured compliance with project specifications, method statements, and international standards. I monitored productivity, controlled material usage, and maintained progress reports. I also conducted toolbox talks and ensured strict safety adherence. My focus has always been on delivering work within schedule, maintaining quality, and minimizing rework while fostering strong teamwork and discipline among crew members. 2. How do you ensure safety at site during piping activities? Safety is my top priority on any project. I strictly follow project HSE plans, conduct daily toolbox talks, and ensure all workers use proper PPE. Before starting work, I verify work permits, risk assessments, and job safety analyses. For critical activities like hot work and lifting, I coordinate closely with safety officers. I ensure scaffolding inspection, proper rigging practices, and safe access. I also promote a safety culture where workers report hazards immediately. Continuous monitoring and proactive risk control help prevent incidents and ensure zero lost time injuries. 3. How do you interpret piping drawings and isometrics? I carefully review P&IDs, GA drawings, and isometric drawings before execution. I verify line numbers, material class, pipe size, thickness, elevation, and slope requirements. I check supports, weld types, and special notes. I confirm that the latest revision is being used. I coordinate with engineering if discrepancies are found. During erection, I ensure correct orientation, alignment, and tagging as per isometric details. Understanding bill of materials and spool identification helps prevent mistakes. Proper drawing interpretation ensures smooth installation and reduces rework significantly. 4. How do you handle conflicts between construction and engineering teams? Conflicts usually arise from drawing discrepancies or site constraints. I first review the issue technically and gather supporting documents. Then I communicate clearly with engineering, presenting facts and possible solutions. I maintain professional communication and avoid blame. My approach is solution-oriented, focusing on project progress and safety. If required, I escalate through proper channels with documentation. I encourage teamwork and mutual respect. Timely coordination meetings help prevent misunderstandings. Maintaining transparency and documentation ensures smooth resolution and protects project interests. 5. What codes and standards are you familiar with? I am familiar with major piping codes such as ASME B 31.3 for process piping, ASME B 31.1 for power piping, and relevant sections of ASME Section 9 for welding qualifications. I also understand standards from API for pressure testing and inspection. Additionally, I am aware of ISO quality standards and client-specific project specifications. I ensure that installation, welding, testing, and documentation comply with these standards. Following codes ensures safety, quality, and client satisfaction while reducing risks of failure and rework. 6. How do you manage manpower effectively? Effective manpower management starts with proper planning. I review daily targets and allocate skilled workers accordingly. I balance welders, fitters, riggers, and helpers to maximize productivity. I monitor performance and provide guidance where necessary. I ensure workers understand drawings and safety requirements before starting tasks. I maintain discipline and motivate the team through clear communication. By tracking productivity and minimizing idle time, I ensure efficient utilization of resources. Proper manpower planning helps achieve project milestones without compromising safety or quality. 7. How do you ensure quality control in piping work? Quality control begins with verifying materials against approved specifications and MTCs. I ensure proper fit-up, alignment, and welding procedures are followed. I coordinate with QA/QC inspectors for stage inspections. I check dimensions, elevations, and slopes as per drawings. I ensure welding is performed by qualified welders using approved WPS. I support P&ID activities and verify punch points are cleared. Maintaining checklists and documentation ensures traceability. Preventive inspection during execution reduces rework and ensures compliance with project quality requirements. 8. Explain hydrostatic testing procedure. Hydrostatic testing verifies piping system integrity. First, I confirm completion of erection and inspection clearance. I ensure blinds are installed and sensitive equipment is isolated. The line is filled with clean water and vented properly to remove air. Pressure is gradually increased to test pressure as per specification. We hold the pressure for the required duration and monitor for leaks. After successful testing, pressure is released safely and the line is drained and dried. Documentation is completed and approved before reinstatement. 9. How do you control project schedule delays? To control delays, I regularly monitor progress against planned targets. I identify bottlenecks, such as material shortages or manpower imbalance. I coordinate with planning and procurement teams to resolve issues quickly. I prioritize critical path activities and adjust manpower when required. I conduct daily progress meetings and maintain tracking reports. If delays occur, I propose recovery plans including overtime or parallel activities. Proactive communication with clients ensures transparency. Proper planning and monitoring help minimize schedule impact and maintain milestones. 10. What is your experience with shutdown projects? Shutdown projects require strict time management and coordination. I have supervised piping modifications, tie-ins, and replacements during shutdowns. I ensure all materials, tools, and manpower are ready before shutdown starts. I follow detailed execution plans and risk assessments. Close coordination with operations and safety teams is essential. I prioritize critical activities and monitor progress hourly. Any unexpected issue is addressed immediately. Completing work within shutdown window requires discipline, planning, and strong leadership to avoid costly delays. 11. How do you ensure proper pipe alignment? Proper alignment starts with accurate measurement and marking. I verify reference lines, center lines, and elevations before installation. During fit-up, I ensure no excessive force is used. I check flange parallelism and bolt hole alignment. Supports are installed correctly to avoid stress. After welding, I recheck alignment to ensure no distortion. Misalignment can cause leaks and equipment stress. Careful supervision and use of proper tools like spirit levels and measuring instruments ensure correct installation and long-term reliability. 12. How do you handle material shortages on site? When material shortages occur, I immediately verify stock and cross-check with store records. I inform planning and procurement teams promptly. I adjust work sequence to continue activities where materials are available. If possible, I optimize leftover material for smaller lines. Clear communication with the client ensures transparency. Proper material tracking and forecasting reduce such issues. Maintaining buffer stock for critical items also helps. Quick response and alternative planning prevent significant project delays. 13. Explain your knowledge of welding procedures. I understand welding procedures including WPS, PQR, and welder qualification requirements as per ASME Section 9. I ensure only qualified welders perform welding. I verify correct electrode selection, preheating, interpass temperature, and post-weld heat treatment when required. I monitor fit-up quality before welding starts. I coordinate NDT inspections and ensure defects are repaired properly. Proper welding supervision ensures strong joints and compliance with standards. Documentation and traceability are maintained for all welding activities. 14. How do you manage subcontractors? Managing subcontractors requires clear communication and monitoring. I review their scope, manpower, and equipment before work starts. I ensure they understand project standards and safety requirements. I monitor their daily performance and quality. Any deviation is corrected immediately. I maintain regular coordination meetings to discuss progress and issues. I verify billing quantities against actual work. Maintaining professionalism and fairness ensures cooperation. Strong supervision ensures subcontractor performance aligns with project objectives. 15. What is your approach to risk management? Risk management begins with identifying hazards through job safety analysis. I evaluate technical and safety risks before starting tasks. I implement preventive measures such as barricading, proper lifting plans, and safe access. I coordinate with safety officers for high-risk activities. I ensure contingency plans are ready. Regular monitoring helps identify new risks. Open communication encourages reporting hazards. By being proactive rather than reactive, I minimize accidents, rework, and schedule impacts while protecting workforce and assets. 16. How do you coordinate with other departments? Coordination is essential for smooth execution. I regularly communicate with engineering, QA/QC, safety, planning, and material teams. I attend coordination meetings and share updates. I ensure drawings and materials are available before work starts. I resolve site issues by consulting relevant departments. Clear documentation and follow-up prevent misunderstandings. Strong interdepartmental communication ensures efficiency. Collaboration helps achieve project goals while maintaining safety and quality standards. 17. What challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them? One major challenge was a design change during execution. I quickly reviewed revised drawings and assessed impact. I reorganized manpower and adjusted schedule accordingly. I coordinated with engineering for clarification and ensured material availability. Clear communication with the team minimized confusion. We worked overtime to recover delay without compromising safety. Strong leadership and planning helped complete the task successfully. Challenges are opportunities to demonstrate problem-solving skills and commitment. 18. How do you ensure proper documentation? Proper documentation ensures traceability and compliance. I maintain daily progress reports, inspection records, and material tracking logs. I ensure test packages are complete before hydrotesting. I verify redline markups for as-built drawings. Coordination with QA/QC ensures all documents are approved. Organized documentation prevents disputes and ensures smooth project handover. Accurate records reflect professionalism and help during audits and future maintenance activities. 19. What is your experience with pipe supports? I supervise installation of various supports, including shoe supports, spring supports, and guides. I ensure supports are installed as per drawings and stress analysis requirements. Correct spacing and type selection prevent pipe sagging and stress. I coordinate with civil and structural teams for anchor points. I verify support welding and bolting quality. Proper support installation ensures system integrity and prevents vibration-related failures. 20. How do you handle pressure from tight deadlines? Under tight deadlines, I focus on planning and prioritization. I identify critical tasks and allocate skilled manpower accordingly. I maintain strong communication with the team and motivate them. I avoid compromising safety or quality despite pressure. I monitor progress closely and resolve issues quickly. If needed, I implement shift work or overtime with client approval. Calm leadership under pressure ensures productivity and maintains morale. 21. What is your knowledge of P&ID? P&ID provides detailed information about process flow and equipment. I use it to understand line routing, valve types, and instrumentation. It helps identify tie-in points and special requirements. I verify line numbers and service details before execution. Understanding P&ID ensures correct installation and coordination with other systems. It prevents errors and ensures system functionality after commissioning. 22. How do you ensure proper lifting practices? For lifting activities, I verify lifting plans and crane capacity. I ensure riggers are certified and lifting gear is inspected. I check load weight and center of gravity. Proper communication between signalman and operator is maintained. Barricading and exclusion zones are enforced. Following safe lifting practices prevents accidents and equipment damage. Safety compliance during lifting is strictly monitored. 23. How do you maintain team motivation? I maintain team motivation by clear communication and fair treatment. I recognize good performance and provide constructive feedback. I encourage teamwork and address concerns promptly. Safe and organized working conditions improve morale. Regular meetings and involvement in planning increase responsibility. Motivated teams work efficiently and maintain quality standards. Leadership through example builds trust and respect. 24. What is your experience with commissioning support? I support commissioning by ensuring all punch points are cleared. I verify test packages and documentation readiness. I coordinate with commissioning engineers during flushing and testing. Any leaks or issues are rectified immediately. Close monitoring ensures smooth startup. My goal is to ensure system readiness and client satisfaction before handover. Proper preparation reduces commissioning delays. 25. Why should we hire you as a piping supervisor? You should hire me because I combine technical knowledge, leadership skills, and strong safety awareness. I understand international standards and client expectations. I manage manpower efficiently and maintain quality. I communicate effectively with all departments. I am committed to delivering projects on time without compromising safety. My experience in handling challenges and maintaining documentation ensures smooth project execution. I am dedicated, disciplined, and focused on achieving project success while maintaining professional integrity. In conclusion, a piping supervisor client interview evaluates not only technical knowledge, but also leadership, safety commitment, communication, and problem-solving ability. Clients expect supervisors to comply with recognized standards from organizations like the American Petroleum Institute and ASME while delivering projects safely and efficiently. Preparing structured, confident answers demonstrates professionalism and readiness for responsibility. By mastering these 25 questions and tailoring them to your experience, you can confidently face client interviews and secure your position as a competent and reliable piping supervisor.